Welcome to the Home Textile Manufacturing Process.
Premium cotton begins many home textile products.
Synthetic fibers add durability and strength. Raw materials arrive for careful processing. Quality checks begin before production starts. Fibers are opened, cleaned, and prepared. Blending creates comfort with durability. Parting straightens fibers evenly. Fibers are formed into sliver. Spinning transforms fibers into strong yarn. Yarn is ready for weaving and knitting.
Warp threads are prepared for looms.
Weaving creates sheets and curtain fabrics. Knitting forms soft towel materials. Jacquard looms create elegant designs. Fresh fabric moves to wet processing. Fabric is cleaned of oils and impurities.
Bleaching creates a fresh white base.
Designers develop attractive shades. Dyeing adds rich, long-lasting color. Printing creates decorative home designs.
Digital printing allows fast customization of cushion artwork with vibrant colors and precise details, perfect for modern home decor.
Heat helps colors bond strongly. Fabric is dried carefully in a specialized chamber designed to maintain optimal temperature and humidity. Dimensions are stabilized precisely. Soft finishes improve comfort and touch.
Calendaring make the surfaces become smooth and premium. Towels are cut and stitched neatly.
Sheets are sewn into final shape.
Curtains receive finishing accessories.
Final quality checks remove defects. Accurate sizing is essential.
Products are folded beautifully.
Labels improve retail tracking.
Finished items are stored safely.
Orders are sent worldwide.
Products bring comfort to homes.
Home textiles make everyday life better.